these are matters of national security. We understand that, ultimately the preservation of the nation itself is the overriding concern. But without putting you in a sense of a bind, both you and attorney may seek instructions at the highest level. Is there some time frame in view?
No time frame. I'll take instructions once following from your lordships, but I'll show the statement made on the floor and the efforts made. And the statement is, once the efforts are fruitful and everything is normal, then, my lord, there is a. But I'll
equally, Mr. Solicitor and Mr. Attorney, restoration of democracy is a very important.
Absolutely,
it's a vital component for our nation.
In 2020,
have a situation where you have.
But not only one thing, but give me a second more. In 2020, for the first time in the history, the local government elections took place. 34,000 people are now elected people, which is possible only because of.
Therefore, the progression, we take your point. We take your point that the progression has already begun.
Yes, no hartal, no stone pelting, no curfew.
At least situation is normal.
But
no, I am not only on election and politics. I am on national integrity. Taken instructions, hurry. But the instructions are that UT is not a permanent feature. But I'll make a positive statement tomorrow, that is day after. Because I'll have to meet
For Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir.
Yes. Yes, not
Ladakh.
Ladakh would remain UT. That's what we have understood, But we'll meet personally, Learned AG and me, and we will make a statement. But I must tell your lordships, so far as Ladakh, as I have already pointed out, that local body in terms of district development council elections took place in 2020. And so far as Ladakh is concerned, it consists of two units. Units, is a loose word I am using. That is Leh and Kargil. Lord, election to Ladakh Autonomous Hill Development Council, Leh, is held in October 2020 for 26 seats. And for Kargil, it is going to be held on 10th of September 23. So, Ladakh election would be over. But I may, my lord, your lordships need not open, my lord. It is volume 10, document compilation volume, page 763. But I am reading 4 lines from Lok Sabha and 4 lines from Rajya Sabha, because something said on the floor of the house has its own sanctity. Therefore, my lord, I am reading it. The Honorable Home Minister introduced the bill, and it was debated. It was debated for both the days.
This is Lok Sabha, this one?
This is Lok Sabha, my lord. What I am reading at page 763 is Lok Sabha. All members participated in the debate, and my lord, relevant is the last para. अध्यक्ष महोदय, मैं अनुच्छेद 370 की बात बाद में करूंगा. सबसे पहले मैं इस चर्चा में काफी सारे सदस्यों ने भाग लेते हुए कुछ चीजों के बारे में जानना चाहा है, कुछ मुद्दे भी उपस्थित किए हैं, जिनका मैं सबसे पहले जवाब देना चाहूंगा. काफी सारे विपक्ष के सदस्यों ने कहा है, सामान्य सदस्यों ने कहा है कि यूटी क्या हमेशा के लिए है, यूटी क्यों बनाई गई है, यूटी कब तक रहेगी. सोएन ने भी कहा, मैं इस सदन के माध्यम से पूरे देश के सामने और विशेषकर घाटी और जम्मू, घाटी मीन्स वैली के लोगों के सामने स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि जहां तक यूटी का सवाल है, परिस्थिति सामान्य होते ही उचित समय पर पूर्ण राज्य का दर्जा देने में इस सरकार को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है.
It's just read the last 3 words again. Is it say पूर्ण राज्य?
पूर्ण राज्य का दर्जा. आई जस्ट रीड. मैं इस सदन के माध्यम
फुल स्टेट
मैं इस सदन के माध्यम से पूरे देश के सामने और विशेषकर घाटी और जम्मू के लोगों के सामने स्पष्ट करना चाहता हूं कि जहां तक यूटी का सवाल है, परिस्थिति सामान्य होते ही उचित समय पर पूर्ण राज्य का दर्जा देने में इस सरकार को कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. My lord, 512 is Rajya Sabha, my lord. Here also, my lord, this question arose. But somewhere 10th line from the top, my lord, it starts with Kai Manya Sadasyon. But I'm on page 162. I'm sorry, page 512. My
Is
lord,
it after that, after the English words constitutional position?
no, उससे the same line. अगर सभापति महोदय की आज्ञा हो तो मैं पूरी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोजीशन सदन के सामने रखने को तैयार हूं। एक माननीय सदस्य ने पूछा कि कब तक यह यूटी रहेगा। मैं माननीय श्री सोएनसो और जिन अन्य माननीय सदस्यों ने यूटी के बनने पर आपत्ति दर्ज की है, मैं निश्चित रूप से उनको आश्वस्त करना चाहता हूं कि जैसे ही नॉर्मल परिस्थिति हो जाएगी, उचित समय आएगा, इसको फिर से स्टेट बनाने में हमें कोई एतराज नहीं।